In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about our razor cutter selection and what FiberFin does for the razor cutters and what the real difference is when you're working with plastic and silica. So the difference is in silica, they have a cleave tool that you can break a silica fiber at a certain point and you prep it prior to polishing. In plastic fiber optics, you don't really need to do that because of the materials and the ability for the razor to actually finish the fiber and no need for polishing. And what really makes the difference on a razor cutter is the quality of the blade, and that's something that really sets FiberFin apart from any other razor cutter that might be on the market. So with that being said, let's go in and we'll talk about each one of the razor cutters that we have. So just to start off, our family of razor cutters is the RZR1. This tool was helped with FiberCast, and it works with the duplex zip cord fiber. One of the neatest things on this is the ability to just bring the two fibers apart on the zip cord. You can rough cut it, you can finish it to length, you can see all the different holes, and this sets it up for like the OptiLock, which is the connectorless solution. The RZR tool is a very inexpensive cutter. It works with a 2.2 millimeter jacket. It's got nice locating holes, very inexpensive cutter. The RZR3, what's nice about that is that it's an aluminum block and it's got a whole bunch of different hole sizes, but you have the ability to remove the screw and put in a new razor blade cutter. A lot of our disposable ones, you don't have that. And with that being said, it's something that is kind of handy when you start getting into the multiple sizes, or if you have something that you might just want to keep on your bench and do some pre-cuts with. The RZR4, this one was designed for the SMI connector, and it has the ability to do a duplex without stripping it. It has holes for locating and finishing the SMI connector, and then it also has it also has the finishing capabilities of the 2.2 to 1 millimeter, the 750, and it goes all the way down to the 500 micron, and it also has a stripping function which you can rotary strip a fiber, and it's really easy to do. You just press down this, you either rotate the cutter or you can rotate the fiber, either one, but it does a really nice job in stripping off the jacket. So this tool also helps in aid of putting on an SMI connector, but it does a really nice job. And what sets this tool, this razor cutter apart and the other razor cutters is the blade on this one and any of our connector specific ones is we make our own blades for this. This is a patented blade. It's a chisel blade and it does a very good job at cutting the fiber at the end of the connector and with very little break on the end. So our RZR4, along with any of our LC, SC, VersaLink, SMA, and ST connectors all have that extra low loss razor cutter. Now the other ones here, as the razor cutter is good, it doesn't give you that real low loss, ultra clean cut all the way through. The other tool that we recommend is the RZR5. This tool has quite a bit of holes for like the 1 millimeter bare fiber that you can stick in here and it'll finish a 1 millimeter bare fiber. It has the smaller jacket oval, so you can do a 1.5 millimeter duplex. It also has the 2.2 and the 2.2 duplex. So this is a very inexpensive tool, and rule of thumb, usually you can finish about 10 fibers per hole, but it's just a rule. You can finish we've had testing that we've done 50 per hole. We've also had testing that have only done a couple per hole. Depends on a lot of different factors, but that's the rule of thumb. So we also make specialized razor blocks. This one right here has the ability to finish a fiber on both sides at a 45-degree angle. So if you're doing any kind of special things, this one, the 45 cutter does a very good job. All of these are connector specific. Each one of these are for a specific tool. So like on this one here, you can actually, well, let's actually do it real quick here. You can put in, you can strip your jacket off. You can put on your connector. This is a VersaLink connector. So you have your fiber sticking through, you snap it on, you can put this one in, and it's locating the connector on the end of the hole. And then you finish it, and now you've got a finished fiber optic cable. It's just that easy. But each one of these color-coded, but they're for a specific connector. So go to our website, look at exactly what you need as far as what kind of connector, what kind of fiber you're using, and usually our razor cutters will hit any of those for your very lowest cost, best termination finish.